Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into a mind-blowing opportunity to change how you look at your screen time. You clicked on this video because who wouldn't want to earn serious cash just by watching ads? It's practically a dream. But here's the kicker. We're not talking pocket change. We're talking about a whopping $1.22 per ad. Yes, you heard that right. You might be thinking, hold on, is this too good to be true? Well, stick around because we're about to unravel the mystery and show you how this incredible opportunity turned screens into cash machines. I'm your host, Habib, and today we're pulling back the curtain on a whole new world of possibilities. So buckle up, hit that like button, and learn the tricks of earning a $1.22 to $7.44 per ad watched, or perhaps more. Are you ready? Let's roll. Earning money by watching a few ads daily is an excellent method to increase your income without making any commitments. Explain how this works, and I know you must be wondering if it's even true. Well, believe it, it's true, not a myth. Advertisers pay platforms to display their ads, while media pay consumers to see them. The remuneration may vary according to the platform and the ad length. It is a simple and effective way to boost your income. How to make money online by viewing ads. First, understand how advertising works to generate money by viewing advertisements. Businesses use commercials to sell their products and services, while customers are paid to watch these commercials. This is because customer attention is essential for companies, since it helps them understand their target market better and enhance their products. Watching advertisements, consumers may earn money and help companies improve their products and services. Websites and applications will not make you rich, but they will make it simple to acquire a gift card or some more cash into your PayPal account. Getting paid to view advertising is possible, but it is crucial to have realistic expectations. While the sites and applications on this list do pay either in cash or free gift cards, the pay rate is relatively low. Because you are the ones for whom I care, I wanted to share with you how I made money after attempting these tricks myself. I've compiled the following list using customer evaluation data from sites like Trustpilot, the App Store, and Google. Don't worry, I also checked some of the reviews, so here are a few websites, applications, and channels that help you earn by watching just ads. InboxDollars. InboxDollars allows you to earn money by watching advertisements. Do you want to know how it works? Brands hire InboxDollars to gather user feedback on their goods and services. You will be compensated for your time spent watching videos. You might receive a monthly payment by check, gift card, or PayPal, depending on how many commercials you watch. Watch advertisements and movies to earn 5 cents to 7 cents per view. PrizeRebel. PrizeRebel is another membership-based reward service that pays users real cash for doing surveys and watching advertisements. What sticks out is the wide range of gift card options available, including Visa, PayPal, Amazon, and Google Play cards starting at $5. The best part is that gift cards are delivered online in a matter of minutes. PrizeRebel was created in 2017, and it already has over 12 million users who view advertisements for money. Unlike many reward sites, you may get paid promptly when you connect to PayPal email address. However, you must reach a $5 barrier before the cash appears in your account. Earnably. Most sites that pay you to watch commercials pay pennies for each ad you see and have greater cash-out levels. This implies that receiving payment might take a long time. Earnably features a $1 minimum amount for anyone who wants to reap the rewards of their efforts sooner. Furthermore, you may begin earning money even while sleeping. If you suggest to join up with relatives or friends, you will receive 10% of the points they earn for life when they view commercials or perform other activities. Earnably is a terrific method to increase your earnings if you have an extensive network. MyPoints. Another popular software for earning money by watching advertising on your phone is MyPoints. Shop at your favorite retailers, explore the web, do surveys, read emails, and view advertisements to earn virtual points. Complete playlists to watch and earn up to 500 points each day. Choose a category to view videos on your favorite subjects. Aside from advertisements, you may view fascinating videos such as Golden Globes coverage and Hollywood gossip. Once you've accumulated enough points, you may get a gift card to a popular retailer or restaurant, travel miles, or PayPal cash. The minimum withdrawal amount is $25. In addition, when you suggest a friend, you receive 10% of their qualifying points. There are an infinite number of invites. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a fun loyalty rewards website that allows you to complete brief online tasks and earn money while viewing advertisements. Swagbucks features a video component where you may view advertising for money in addition to completing polls, testing new items, playing online games, doing surveys, and recommending friends. One of the simplest ways to earn money with this rewards program is to watch the Swagbucks video playlists. Large corporations and advertisers pay Swagbucks to undertake market research. You will be compensated for your time. Over $383 million has been distributed to subscribers, making it one of the finest money-earning applications. You may earn points or Swagbucks by watching a single video or a series of videos. Sponsored videos, themed videos, sports highlights, home and garden, entertainment and global news are all popular. You will rate each video after watching it. Ads can run between videos and last up to 75 seconds. More information may be found in Trustpilot reviews, and a link is attached to our bio. Swagbucks may be redeemed for PayPal cash or gift cards as your points accrue. While points may be redeemed for gift cards for as little as $3, saving for cash requires at least $25 or 2,500 points. KashKick. KashKick is a new rewards and loyalty network that might help you make money online. KashKick's video area is one of its major features, where you may make money simply by viewing videos. It's comparable to Swagbucks. However, it has a smaller cash payout threshold of just $10. It should be noted that Swagbucks usually offers you a more comprehensive library of activities. KashKick offers a range of different tasks, in addition to watching video commercials such as completing surveys, playing games, and testing out apps. The platform is legitimate and offers a diverse range of tasks. Payments are made easily using PayPal, which adds an added degree of legitimacy to the site. KashKick is fast becoming popular among people trying to make money online because of its user-friendly layout and numerous earning options. KashKick guarantees a smooth experience, whether you're viewing videos or investigating other chores. Several websites and applications allow you to watch advertisements for free, whether you earn points or dollars. The top websites for viewing commercials for money offer to cash out the earnings as gift cards or transfers to your PayPal account from which you may withdraw or make payments. Whatever program you choose, the key to success is to set aside time each day to see enough ads and videos to accumulate enough dollars in your account to satisfy the minimal collection levels. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more money-making tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.